So what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around of the BS6 Himalayan in the 2021 model. And here in this video I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you have to pick the Himalayan. If your preference is on the comfort side and if it's a cruiser, then the Himalayan will fit the bill, mainly because it has very neutral stance and the seat is very comfortable both for the pillion as well as for the rider. And also the stance, as I said, it's mostly upright and the raised handlebar makes it even more comfortable. The second reason would be the off-roading nature of the Himalayan. The reason for that is it comes with a ground clearance which is class leading, which is around 220 mm, and it is also built like a tank with the provision of the uh, bash plate which is under the engine, so which comes with full protection. So that would also be one more reason. The other reason would be the pricing, that this is one of the most cheapest and the affordable ADVs that you can buy in the market, which is roughly around 2.3 lakhs ex showroom, and it is also the less maintainable ADV that you can buy. The fourth reason would certainly be the features like the instrumentation panel, especially for the 2021 model. It gets the Google assisted tripometer, which comes with a colored TFT display which shows turn by turn navigation, which is very informative. And the fifth reason would certainly be the Royal Enfield network, sales, and also service, which is across all the states in India. And the sales and service part of it is also not that expensive, but it is on the cheaper side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.